Welcome again to Top Freelance. Today we are going to continue from our previous topic on creation of an expert coding account and do a few steps. I appreciate your support to this channel, and if you find this content helpful, I would like you to take 5 seconds to press subscribe. Thank you, hope you did. Right into our topic. On the previous video we learned how to sign up to the remotask website. Today we are going through the verification and how you can do the screening to get yourself into a project. As you can see on my screen, I have already verified the phone number, and now the next step is to verify my identity and residence before being allowed to undergo screening. To verify, you need to present one of the following documents: a driving license, a residential ID, or any government-issued document that has your photo, shows your address, and it's government approved. The documents will be scanned from the front and back, and then your face will also be scanned. Sometimes if it may fail to open the scanning, and if so, a link will be provided for you to join a Google Meet with the support team and show them your documents. They verify it for you. If you submitted the correct documents and got verified, then later you will receive an email telling you that the verification was a success. And then you will receive another one asking you to do a screening examination to get yourself into the project. To make this understandable, I split this process into small part videos. In the next video with the link below, I have shown how does the screening question look like and what are you required to do to pass them and be that ninja tasker. Thanks for watching, Task Ninjas. As an appreciation, please subscribe to motivate me make more and more of this kind. Bye.